who gets to be a maker. When I came to the University of Arizona to get my master's in library and information science, I was fully prepared to blaze through the academic parts of the degree. Papers, literature reviews, written reflections, I had it down pat. And I wasn't really expecting to need to engage much outside of the lecture hall. When one of my foundation courses assigned us to create a research proposal, I took a look at the actual world of my field, starting with UA's own library makerspace, Catalyst Studios. A haven of machines and innovative tech, I realized that there wasn't much space for cultural ways of hands-on making, like the embroidery that I've been doing since I was a kid. So I drafted a potential project around bringing a Mexican embroidery workshop to the makerspace to expand what gets to be considered making. And when my professor later suggested applying it for the JustArts Fellowship, I got to move beyond theory in the classroom and bring it to life. It felt strange to finally be the one leading a project when I was so used to just reading about and attending them. With our teaching artists only speaking Spanish as well, I was even more on the back foot being out of practice. Yet once the workshops got into full swing, that language primacy flipped what's expected everywhere else at the university, and created a space where students could connect in a way they don't often get to on campus, where their language was centered. People chatted as they stitched images and shared stories that had cultural meaning to them, the rhythm of the craft slowing the often rapid pace of college life and giving them a time and place to be in community. Alongside expanding what is considered making, I also wanted to lower the barrier to who gets to be a maker. Making doesn't have to mean mastering high-tech machines. As long as you can hold a needle, you can stitch, sew, or bead, and that means you're a maker, and you belong in the makerspace at Catalyst Studios. Through this experience, not only did I connect with people I would not have otherwise met from beyond my college and cultural groups, but I also got to explore what real-world fieldwork I can do with my degree. This was the type of project I can present at conferences, extend and restart through grants, and delve further into for qualitative research. Getting to blend my art with my academics here in the borderlands has given me unique cultural insights to carry with me into my career and further education. My name is Riqué Duhamell Escobedo, and this is my voice in InfoSci.